Freedom. It's what our brave service members fight for. And now, it's yours to experience. RVByMilitary.com is the first RV rental marketplace owned and operated by military veterans for freedom, adventure, memories, for everyone. The military is one of the most trained and trusted institutions in America. When you rent through RV by Military, you invest in your own family while supporting our service members and contributing to the community that has given so much to our country. RV by Military provides a unique opportunity to invest in your own family, veterans, and the greater community. On average, we only use our RVs 20 days a year. We can help others create memories while earning extra income and continuing the tradition of service by giving back. By listing with RV by Military, you can make the most of your asset while guests explore the beauty of the United States with the peace of mind your RV is protected. Start today at RVByMilitary.com and be a part of an adventure that creates lasting memories and impact to our service members. Invest in veterans. Make memories.